So here is a look of our new wheels and tires that we picked out for this truck. I'm a firm believer in the theory that you can change the look and feel of a vehicle. The quickest and easiest way is to give it a new pair of shoes. So we went with a 35 aggressive tire on a polished 17-inch aluminum wheel, and I think this is going to give us the look and feel that we are after.
Okay, time for some real talk, right? We're in the 20th season of this show. How long have we been mounting big, heavy wheel and tire combinations over time? And it's kind of taken the toll a little bit.
It has. We've had, I don't know how many hernias between the two of us.
5.
Our backs have been thrown out, hamstrings locked up. It's not a fun place to be.
I have a doctor's note on the wall over there saying Matt can't lift. We need something to make our lives easier when it comes to mounting these tires. And now we have it. This is the TRAC tire jack. So one of the things I love about this company, real quick, if I may, is the name of the company, right? It's not complicated. TRAC is Tire Rotation Assistant Cart. That's another product they have, but this is the TRAC tire jack, and it just makes things so much easier as far as it uses leverage, right? And you just pop it up there and on. Because how often are you sitting there and you're like, I got it.
Oh, my gosh. And then your hamstring locks
up, your back locks up. I got to rotate it a little bit.
And then you start arguing between the two of us. I mean, it's not like we've ever argued before, right?
Well, I mean, you know, but all of that's over now, thanks to this.
And they've got an accessory that bolts right on. It's a roller accessory plate. So what it does is you got a small tread tire, like a trailer tire, an all-terrain tire, or a street tire. You simply roll it back and forth to get it clocked where you need to, and then slide it right on. You know, one of the things my dad has always told me is work smarter, not harder. And this is an easy way to do that.
Yeah, it is. Because that's not always possible, but it is here today with this.
All right, so what do you say we get this last one mounted up and we're ready to go?
Oh, I'll get this, too. I never offered. No, wow. I am now. Trade out. Look at that.